Today I give you a closer look to the Amazon aviary. If I do not fall over cats. So let's see. Well. Hey, buddy. So, it always takes a while till I close the door the right way. So, this is the aviary from the Amazons. That's the other one on my shoulder. So, again, the dust-free sawdust. No germs in there. Germs, not germs. Germs. No germs in there. Hey. Cuckoo. How do you doing? So I put some new toys up. A few minutes ago. And there's already wood chips on the floor. That doesn't take long. Now we also have a golden pheasant in here. There. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I know you want my camera. No. So a few new branches there. I think I put 2 more nest boxes up. That's pretty chewed up there. At the shelter room, I might put a nest box in there too. Two cages, just in case anything happened. And you. Hello. Yeah, you're nosy, huh? Be nice.